My name is Heather Mendoza. I'm a licensed real estate professional with REMAX Capital Properties, and I want to share with you 82,338 reasons to buy a home today in less than 3 minutes. The financial benefits of buying a home versus renting are always up for debate, but one factor that is often overlooked is the ability to build wealth as a homeowner. Every quarter, Pulse Economics surveys a distinguished panel of over 100 economists, investment strategists, and housing market analysts regarding their 5 years expectations for future home prices in the U.S. This is the Home Price Expectations Survey. These experts are calling for home prices to continue appreciating over the next several years as follows: 2021, 6%, 2022, 4.5%, 2023, 4%, 2024, 3.6%, and 2025, 3.5%. Using a $350,000 home as an example, this means a homeowner could increase their net worth by $82,338 in 5 years. That's an average of $16,000 annually. You'll not be able to build this kind of equity renting a home. So if you have questions or are ready to buy, reach out to me today so you can enjoy this great financial benefit as well.